Hello friends, welcome you all to another video. And in this video I am going to do unboxing of Royal Enfield Streetwind V2 riding jacket. So friends, my name is Milind and you are watching my YouTube channel Milind Section. And let's get started. So you can see the packaging of this box. It is a full packaging from the Royal Enfield, and I have got this from Royal Enfield official website, this box, and I got it just for 3,450 rupee only, and it delivered within the 5 days. So you can see the packaging, and now I am opening it with the scissor. Actually my son Nirvan is doing the unboxing because he likes to do the unboxing and he always help me to do the unboxing. So it is nicely packed, very good. Actually the jacket which I got after measuring my chest, I ordered M size jacket. So let's see. And actually I'm very excited. I'm not going to tell you the color of it. You just see it, the color. Actually this color is very popular one, and you can see this is the jacket, and this is the jacket, that in the box it is a red color, black and red color jacket is here, you can see. So the plastic packaging is also there. Actually I wanted to buy a grey color, but it was not available in M size, so therefore I bought this red color jacket. And friends, it comes with all the armors, level 1 armor with it. It has the armor at the shoulder, then your elbow, and on the back side also. So friends, now I am going to wear it, and I will upload another video of wearing this jacket. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you can see such kind of videos regularly. Thank you for watching.